yeah, so this trade is a little bit special because as you can see at the beginning I was losing, and then the market started creating a small uptrend. I'm not gonna say that it's a large uptrend, but a small uptrend. Yeah, using the same strategy that I always use, I predicted that the Ethereum market will create an uptrend, so I opened this long position. By the way, if you're interested in learning my strategy, the link is in the description below, or go directly to learnthestrategy.com/free. Alright, so as I was saying, I predicted that the Ethereum price would go up, so I opened, or the entry price was at $4,156, and yeah, I predicted that Ethereum would go all the way up to around, I don't know, perhaps $4,200 or $4,300. That's what I was expecting. But what happened, so as you can see, I'm at almost $2,000. So I, at some level here, at some point I reached $2,000, then the market went down a little bit, but yeah, you will see the market will go up a little, back up again. So as you can see here, it's going up. Now we are at almost $3,000. I guess that's not bad because yeah, at the beginning, as I was saying, I was at minus $400, around minus $400. So now I'm making $2,000 or more than $2,000, but I didn't quit because I knew it would go back up again. So it created this small 3 candles or 5 candle downtrend, and then it will go up again at the end of this trade, and I will close, I guess, around $3,000 or $4,000. So once I reach $4,000, I'm gonna close this trade. So as usual, I'm using my own trading strategy for indicators, MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and Parabolic SAR. I'm using some SMA, smart money concepts methods, and also some fundamental analysis. And yeah, my strategy is explained in the course. Those who are interested, you can check it out. The link is in the description below, as I said. And yeah, I guess here we went down because yeah, we went down. So the Ethereum price is at around $4,000, $4,100. But trust me, it's going up again. So yeah, this big candle. So this at this part, or this time, this was a large uptrend. Yeah, so we are almost at 3,000. We will reach 3,000, and yeah, we will be at 4,000 at the end of this trade. So I guess yeah, so yeah.